In this video, I will show you how to customize your shoe on Nike app. First, open the app and tap on Shop at the bottom. Next, scroll all the way down until you find Nike by You under the Shop by Brand section. This is where you will find all the shoes that are customizable. Now, pick the one you like. I'm going with the Nike Air Max 97. Once you open the product page, tap the Customize button up top. Okay, so let's start with the upper and tongue. Let's go with University Red, since I'm feeling bold today. For the mudguard, let me try white, since that color pops nicely against the red. Now for the mudguard overlay. Ooh, black looks clean. I think I will stick with that. Then let's check the overlay next. Maybe sail? Yeah, it softens the look a bit. Moving to the mudguard window, let's just go back to University Red to tie it together. Alright, for the lining and accents, let's try Wolf Grey. The swoosh, total orange actually looks really nice. Unexpected, but it works. Now for the laces, I'll just match that with wolf gray again to keep things balanced. Midsole, let's do University Red again to bring that color back. For the airbag, definitely white, nice and crisp. Lastly, the outsole. Let's keep it classic with solid white. And that's it. Pretty happy with how this turned out. Now I'll just hit done and we're good to go. So that's how you customize your shoe on Nike app.